Maria Vincent, and my other team member is my husband, David Vincent, and we are the owners and operators of the Power Washing Company. We do both commercial and residential, and we do power, pressure, soft washing services on a variety of surfaces and building structures. We also do surface cleaning, which is cleaning on concrete. We do quite a plethora of power and pressure washing services. This one was a roof wash for the Better Business Bureau, and so our process was, we knew that we needed to clear off the debris off the roof. We knew that we needed to bring the right products to clean the flat roof. And then we also knew that we had to be gentle with the roof because you can't use too much pressure or too many abrasive type tools to scrub. We just build a plan where we systematically move, treat the roof, scrub the roof, rinse the roof, and then if we see any spots that we're not happy with, we go back over those and retreat and clean it off.